A team in KaibanJS is a group of agents working together to complete tasks. It's the backbone of agent coordination. By combining agents with specific roles and assigning tasks, teams ensure effective collaboration. Teams in KaibanJS have attributes like name, agents, tasks, and inputs. For example, the sports news team includes Scout for gathering information and Writer for creating articles. Each agent has a role, working together in a coordinated way. Let's see how a team is structured in KaibanJS using code. We'll define a team with key attributes such as its name, agents, tasks, and inputs. First, we give the team a name, Sports News Team. This helps identify the group's purpose and structure. Next, we define the agents in the team, Search Agent and Content Creator. These agents have specific roles to play in the workflow. Then, we list the tasks they need to complete. Search Task will gather detailed information, while Write Task will use the data to craft a comprehensive article. Each task is assigned to an agent to ensure effective collaboration. Finally, we provide the necessary inputs, like the sports query which specifies the question to be answered. Who won the Copa America in 2024? And environment variables, such as OpenAI API key, which allow the agents to perform their tasks correctly. By calling team.start, we initiate the coordinated workflow. Once the process is underway, we must see it through to get the result. Let's take a look at what appears on the Kanban board. Want to learn more? Check out our documentation and explore the power of KaibanJS teams.